сайн байцгаана уу? Өглөө өнөөдөр Spider-Man-ийнхаа одоо дараагийн үргэлжлэл хэсэг болох DLC-нүүдийг тоглоцгоё. За өнөөдөр бол одоо Heist гэдгээс эхлэе. За Heist-ээр Black Cat гарах юм шиг байгаа.
Associate editor. Begin research notes. My sources are saying the Magia is mounting a comeback. The old crime families were all but wiped out until Fisk went away and they started filling the void. The old Dons were working harmoniously for years, but now that there's a power vacuum, there's bound to be a power struggle. It's only a matter of time before one of the families makes a move on the others. Better follow up with my sources in the Force. Hopefully we can stop this crime comeback before it even starts.
За. Хуучин одоо энэ Magia гэдэг мафод байсан юм а да. Тэгээ ийм мафод нөгөө нэг Fisk байхгүйсэн хойш юу яцсан байсан юм бэ? Нөгөө Fisk байхгүйсэн учраас одоо буцаж ирэх гээд одоо бэлтгэцгээгээд байгаа юм байна. Тэгээд одоо хоорондоо алцаад те хин илүү ундаг гэдгээ үзэлцээд тэгээд тэр нь одоо crime-ийнхаа босс нь болох гээд тиймэрхүү юм болох гээд байгаа юм байна.
I'm working on a story you might be interested in.
The Oscorp expose?
New one. It's about the Magia crime families.
The mob? I thought they went out with swing dancing. Both times.
They were in decline, but with Fisk and the demons gone, La Cosa Nostra is making a comeback.
I love it when you talk dirty.
Easy, Tiger. So you know the feds raided the Magia last month?
Sure.
Well, one of the Dons had this lost masterpiece painting called the Maria, and now they're displaying it over at Manhattan Mocha.
And
I have a source who says one of the families is planning to steal it back tonight.
Sounds like there's more to it than just art appreciation. I'll swing by the museum.
За. Энэ хуучин Magia-нуудын одоо нэг зураг юм уу да? Миний бодлоор зураг дууд тоглолтод оролцож байгаа юм байна. Тэгээд тэрийг нь дууд тоглолтод оролцуулахгүйгээр шууд дээрэмдэж авах гээд ийм одоо юу бэлтчихэд байгаа юм байна. За энд одоо юу болох юм бэ?
MJ, looks like your source was right. There's a small army of goons trying to break in. Stay on the line while I take a closer look.
Just be careful. If those guys are Magia, they play for keeps.
Hurry up. Come on. Boss wants that painting. We should have been in and out by now.
You want to try? Be my guest.
Hammerhead tag.
Sheesh. Some people do anything to avoid paying full price admission.
What about the guards?
They give us any trouble? Boss says kill on sight.
He's not messing around, huh?
What? Nap time.
He's down.
These guys have to learn to appreciate art during business hours.
Spider-Man!
What?
You're fucking Spider-Man!
За тоглоог уудсан ч жоохон
Time for a little demonstration of the fine art of subduing criminals.
яаж тоглоог марцсан биш үү?
You picked a bad day to mess with us! Look up, you morons! I'll break your friggin' jaw! Up there!
I know some of these guys. That's Federico Fratelli and Sal Petrillo.
Those guys are part of Hammerhead's crime family, right? Why would he want the Maria? Doesn't seem like his thing.
I'm gonna look around. Make sure no one got in a different way. I'll let you know if I find anything.
За энэ хавар юу вэ наа? За хэдүүлээ Spider-Man юм чинь.
Wait, what's this?
Ерөөсөө л
Hey, what is that?
тэрүүгээр нь ороод авчих штэ. Ороод
MJ,
авчих штэ.
someone cut a hole in a skylight. I'm gonna check it out.
So while Hammerhead's guys were trying to break in the front, someone else slipped in through the roof?
Looks that way. No sign of anyone. At all. Shouldn't there be guards here at night?
Yeah, maybe check the security booth near the entrance. There should be cameras there too. They would have seen whoever broke in.
Нөгөө мафийн гарууд зүгээр нэвтрэх гээд хаалга нэвтлээ зогсож хахад хин нэгэн дээгүүрэн зүгээр цонхоор норцсон яриац.
The security booth's secure. Need a palm print to get in.
Any clue about what happened to the guards will be inside. Is there a way to override the lock?
Not without a guard's hand.
Actually, their handprint. If you can't find the guards, maybe you can lift prints from the things they touched.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Always happy to lend a hand.
Okay, if I were a handprint, where would I be? That might work. And I think 12 down should be karaoke, not kumquat.
За.
Weird.
Тэ гардын
It's like the guards just vanished. Now,
Guards
where
just-
can I find some more
Хамгаалагчдын
partial prints?
юуг авахар боллоо. Гарын хийг нь яаж игээд олохор боллоо. Энэ дотор юм биш үү? Нөхцөл
There
ингээд
must be a
сандал дээр
print on
суугаад
here
явчихсан
somewhere. Another one. Cool. Trained guards wouldn't leave their stuff around like this. Unless they didn't leave voluntarily. Maybe I should have gone to art school? Wonder if there's a print on here. Okay, I should have enough partials to reconstruct a handprint.
Зүрийн тэнд юмудаа ингээд салгаад тавьсан мэт те.
I should be able to reconfigure the scanner so it takes my data.
За уучлаарай. За analyzed. If
If I
old friend.
bypass the optic sensor, I can upload my own data.
За. Тэр хийх юм бол ойлгомжтой. Ингээд. Тэр ингээд. Чигээр яваад. Ингээд. Энд чигээр яваад. Тэр энийг тавиад энэ дээр энийг тавиад. Easy.
Got it. Transmitting handprint now.
Easy шүү дээ. Ер нь бол easy шүү дээ. Ингээл явчих шүү дээ.
We're in.
Оо за.
Nice. What do you see?
They're alive. Looks like they were tranquilized. No signs of a struggle. Definitely not Hammerhead style.
So if not Hammerhead, who? Is there a camera feed?
Let me check. Someone switched off camera 5.
Well, that's suspicious.
Let me turn it back on and see what they didn't want anyone looking at. It's pointing at one of the paintings in the exhibit.
That has to be the Maria.
And no one's stolen it yet. I need to see this up close, figure out what's so special about it.
За энэ Мария гэж яадаг зураг юм. Яагаад бүгдээр хулгайлах гэдэг нэ?
The Maria is a brilliant example of modern pastoral impressionism. The saga of its repeated theft and recovery are almost as intriguing as the artwork itself.
Looks like a pretty normal painting to me.
It is. There's way more valuable stuff in that museum. So why is the Maggia so worked up about this painting?
Hang on, MJ. Someone's coming.
Оо за. Амар. Зүгээр л те. Машинтаа
Keep an
гашууд
eye
аваад
out.
ирдэг.
Spider-Man could still be here.
Манай Hammer Head-ийн юу юм бэ?
Damn it. Got a lock behind security glass. Hey, tell Frank we're gonna need to break out the big guns.
MJ, Hammerhead's guys called in reinforcements. They haven't spotted me yet.
Good. Try to keep it that way.
Eyes open. The signal we got.
За, one down.
Nothing's getting through that safety glass. Like this. Cops will be here soon.
Well, we got a job to do before they show up, so let's do it.
Оо, бүдүүнээ ингэчүүл амар шүү. Бүдүүнтэй задлахаар ядаргац санагддаг.
I heard that. Boss thinks you turned coward? You got bigger problems than jail. Remember Faith?
Оо, ганц ч гэсэн.
We got the signal. That means he was here. Maybe he split, maybe he's still around.
Харддаг нэстэй. Хажууганд нь багчаа.
Hey,
Sleep it off.
Хейл.
cops will be here any minute.
The hell with this. Grab what you can and run.
Great. Now they're looting the other art. Gotta stop them before they make it out. There's only one way out of here. The way
Бисээ
they came in.
үзэн юм ичиг шиг болох юм.
Next time, try the gift shop.
This guy means business!
За эндээс гарч ирэх гэдэг те.
How about as a consolation prize, I send you a poster of that piece for your prison cell?
Энэ юм минь хаглаад ах шиг байх юм. Ингэж яг болох уу?
This one looks expensive. I'm taking it. There's the exit. You just gotta get out.
You're trying to steal that art.
I'm gonna end this.
Cheer up. Maybe they'll have art classes in prison.
Хайч нөө юм нэг шүү.
This looks ugly. It's also expensive.
Got him.
They'll be clean.
Ямар боллоо юм бэ те?
Quit messing around! Almost there.
Gotta get to the exit and cut him off.
Bring him back to Earth!
Хайч нөө.
Stay down.
Явах нэ. Зөөр хаана. Зөөр үүдээр нотчвол амар юм бэ дөө. Зөвхөн зүгээр ийшээ ирэх л юм чи.
You gotta
Keep him distracted. I'm up
Too slow.
Удаан байна, удаан байна. Бач. Сайхан шанадлаа да. За бүгдийг нь унгасаа.
You okay?
Yeah, I think I got them all. A lot of art to put back, though.
What about the Maria? This could have all been a distraction.
My thoughts exactly. I'll head back there. Hopefully the glass was thick enough.
Аа энэ ингэдэг байсан юм. Энэ ашиглахгүй тоглосон шүү дээ.
Security wall's intact and bulletproof. Nobody's getting near the Maria anytime soon.
Mission accomplished then?
I hope so. Yeah, I am gonna have to call you right back.
Why? What's going on? You look good.
За, Black Cat.
Been working out?
Oh. I mean, you know, a little.
So,
You swinging solo now? Or back with your ex?
It's a lot of questions.
I'm just curious.
Yeah, I hear that's bad for cats. How about you tell me why you're really here?
I was just waiting for the right moment. Look behind you.
You goofy.
Rockets? Who brings rockets to a museum?
Have you not met Hammerhead?
Ёй. Яг өгч.
We're coming your way, handsome.
Хэдүүлээ чинь скиллээ авлаа. Тэр нөгөө ганц өгдөг скиллийг. Дон. Оо. Шууд ингэ шичнэ. Матч. Фискин нокоф.
How'd he do that? What did he just hit us with? The hell is that stuff? Mess you up. Whoa! What the hell? Stay out of our business.
Оо за. Шууд ингэ шилждэг аа.
Bring it down.
За дуусна. Өөр байна уу? Оо, амар ногцсон шүү дээ.
Bring him back to earth.
Уян зүг зогсчихэд байдаг нэ сая.
I like your new tricks.
And I'm tired of your old ones. Weren't you gonna stop stealing art?
Who said I'm here for the art?
What are you doing?
Think you have lives to save.
Not again.
Яа. Дэгүн гараа те. Гүүгэж чи, гараад гүүгэж.
What the? Where'd she go?
Peter, is everything okay?
Sorry, MJ. I just ran into an old friend.
Who?
Trouble.
So Black Cat was the one who went in through the roof? She was working with Hammerhead's guys?
Yeah. She was probably watching me the whole time I was in there.
Just tell me you didn't let her get away with the Maria.
She didn't.
Good.
She smashed it and stole a data drive hidden in the frame.
What?
Бүр долоонд
Sorry. So what do you think was on that drive?
Good question. I'll start asking around.
And I guess I'll start following cat prints.
All units, we have reports of an explosion in the vicinity of Times Square and Bryant.
Explosion. Better check it out.
За, плакат. Питер хоёр ч ер нь Вивиныгаа мэддэг юм байна л да. Тэг юу яачлаа? Сайн нөгөө Мария гэж зураг дотор байсан датаг нь флашыг нь хулгайлахын тулд л ер нь ийм зохион байгуулсан юм байна шүү дээ. Тэгээд нөө Хаммерhead-ийн мобуудтай зодтолчийн хооронд флаш юм хулгайлчлаа. За одоо яа их вэ? Тэгээд хэдүүлээ барин шүү дээ. Плакатыг одоо барина. За энэ дэлбэлт бас гинэ. Яадаг
Looks like
дэлбэлт
another
очив.
car bomb. Which family set it up this time? Hammerhead again?
Probably. Might be more nearby. Better call in the bomb squad.
Bombs under things? Time to go small.
Alright, that's enough of the cheap knockoff Spider-Man impersonator.
Нас хөөрхин дээ.
Spider-Bot's active. Should be tracking the other bombs. This one's disabled. Time to find the rest.
За. Йой, камер нэрийг юм. Оо, чи гэрэл байсан юм.
Should look for the blinking lights on the bomb triggers.
Энэ дом шүү.
Spider-Bot will hear the bomb's trigger frequency when one's nearby.
Ханаа гон бэ.
Spider-Bot will see the bomb triggers as disarmed. Need to find the others.
Тийм шүү. Гэтэ энэ ямар хурдан юм те.
Disarmed. One to go.
Дахиад нэг юм. Энд байна да.
That's all of them.
Ямар гоё юм бэ сайн.
Hammerhead's on a mission. Better keep a lookout for more of these around the city. Hello?
Spider-Man? This is Detective Mackey. I got your number from a friend in the force.
I bet I know which friend. What can I do you for, Detective?
Probably better if we spoke in person. Can you stop by the Greenwich precinct when you get a chance? I hear you like meeting on rooftops.
Sure thing. See you in a few. This'll keep me busy
За,
while I
доктор
wait to hear
Маккей
from
гэдэг
MJ.
шинэ дүр гарч байгаа юм байна.
That museum heist was crazy. It's not Black Cat's style to work with guys like Hammerhead. Hope MJ can find out the story behind that data drive.
За тэгээ энэ мөрдөгчтэй хамтраад одоо яхаар болж байгаа юм бэ? Нөө мөрдлөг хийх чаас байна. Хэдүүдээ
All
Dr.
units, the
McKay
VIP
tells us now.
Maggia witness has been abducted. Officers needed in Tenderloin. Please copy.
As you've probably heard, Spider-Man stopped the crime boss Hammerhead's thugs from robbing the museum.
Detective Mackey, I presume?
Thanks for coming. I want to talk to you about the Black Cat.
I plead the fifth.
Not the new cat, the old one, 20 years ago. I worked the case.
Black Cat is a copycat? Huh. What happened to the original?
He died in prison. But we never found all the paintings.
За, хуучин юу байсан гинэ? Black Cat гэж байсан гинэ. Тэр нь гэхдээ одоо бидний мэддэг Black Cat биш. Одоо хуучин 20 жилийн өмнө байсан нэг юм залуу байсан гинэ. Black Cat гэдэг нэртэй. Нэрээр тий одоо гимт хэрэг хийдэг.
I've got a new lead, The department doesn't want to waste resources on an old case.
Wasting resources is kind of my specialty.
Great. Head to this location. I'll fill you in on the way. I appreciate your help. I'm retiring soon, and this case is my biggest loose end. So I went through the files to give it one last shot. The old cat preferred to steal art. But right before he got busted, he hit a smoke detector factory.
Smoke detectors? That's random.
Not really. He stole the Americium-241 inside him. We thought he had a buyer for the radioisotopes, but I was watching a movie the other night and saw something that gave me an idea. What if he tagged the paintings he stole with those isotopes in order to help him find them once he got out?
What movie were you watching? Wait, don't tell me. Spoilers.
So I was thinking, if we track the isotope, we could find the stolen paintings.
I have a scintillation counter in my suit that should do it. I'll call you if I find anything.
Thanks, Spider-Man. If I can close the books on this one, I can retire in peace.
За, доктор Маккей доктор гэж солирч. Энэ детектив Маккей нь болохоор юу юм байл та. Хуучин Black Cat хэрэг дээр ажиллаж байсан. Тэгээд яг нөгөө нэг ямар учраас энэ хэрээг үлдэх болсон ч гэдэг юм уу. Тим юмнууд нь олж чадаагүй. Тэгээд орцсон шоронд байж байгаа нөгөө Black Cat нөхцсөн юм байна. За тэгээд хамгийн сүүлийн нөгөө юу нь хийсэн хэрэг нь болохоор юу байсан гинэ? Smoke Alarm хийдэг компани дээр хийсэн гинэ. Тэр нь болохоор тийм Isotope гэх юм байт юм шиг байна. Тэрийг нь үйлдвэрлэдэг ч юм уу те. Тэрийг Smoke Alarm компаниас авах боломжтой. Тэгээд яагаад тийм компани дээр үндэ гэдгсэн чинь юу юм байна л та. Шоронгоос гарсан дараа өөрийнхөө зургуудыг буцаагаад олох зорилготой тийм хийсэн гинэ. Тэгэхээр одоо хэдүүлээ энийг хайх болчихлоо гэсэн.
The signal's coming from this power box, but I'm not detecting any electricity. Maybe it's a fake? I wonder if this... an art storage tube.
Тийм шүү дээ.
Detective, I found a stolen painting. It was hidden in a fake power box.
Yes, I knew it. Leave it there. I'll have someone pick it up. In the meantime, I'll send you some other locations we know Hardy frequented.
Sounds good. Wait, did you say Hardy?
Yeah, the original cat's name was Walter Hardy. I'll pull his files and have more details next time we talk.
No, that's...
Walter Hardy, the original Black Cat. Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat that I know. This appears to be a family business.
Peter, the police scanner just reported an active shootout around Hudson and North Moore.
Isn't that area controlled by the Maggia?
Yeah, whatever Black Cat stole, it might have just triggered a gang war.
Well, I'm on my way to check it out. Any other updates on the museum heist?
So here's what I got. Nobody knows what was on that drive in the Maria painting. But word is, Hammerhead now has the drive, and the Maggia families are freaked out about it.
Must have been pretty valuable if it made a notorious art thief ignore art.
Wonder why she's working for Hammerhead. She usually flies solo.
Who knows? I stopped trying to figure out Felicia a long time ago.
Felicia, huh? You guys on a first-name basis now?
Well, I mean, I guess, maybe.
Well, let's just keep each other in the loop, okay?
Бас хөрх хардаад байгаа юм шүү те. За юу гинэ? Флэшийг нөгөө Black Cat-ийн хулгайлсан Flash Drive-аас нь болоод одоо Hammerhead gang, Maggia gang гэх юм хоёр gang